Have you ever looked at old pictures of your parents or grandparents when they were in school? It can seem like a totally different world. Maybe they used chalkboards instead of smartboards, or they looked things up in giant encyclopedias instead of on the internet. Technology is always changing, and schools are constantly changing right along with it. From the first pencils to the invention of calculators and computers, new tools have always found their way into our classrooms, transforming the way we learn and the way teachers teach. The latest big change is something you've probably heard a lot about: artificial intelligence, or AI. This new technology has everyone asking some really big questions. What does it mean for our education? Is this just another helpful tool, like a calculator, or is it something more? As schools begin to use AI more and more, one of the biggest questions on people's minds is a little bit scary. Could these incredibly smart computer programs one day take the place of our human teachers? It's a huge topic, and it brings up a mix of excitement and worry. But to really understand the answer, we first need to explore what AI is actually doing in our schools today, and how it's changing the game for both students and teachers. The conversation about AI in schools is happening everywhere, from your local school district all the way up to the White House. In April 2025, President Trump even signed an order to help bring more AI into K-12 education, showing just how important this technology is becoming. But leaders and experts are very clear about one thing. The goal is to use AI to help teachers, not to replace them. Think of it less like a substitute teacher, and more like a super-powered assistant who never gets tired and can handle some of the more repetitive parts of the job. So, let's get into it. The idea of robot teachers might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, and maybe it makes you feel a little uneasy. But the reality of AI in education is far more interesting, and frankly, a lot more helpful than you might think. We're not talking about replacing the person who helps you when you're stuck on a math problem, or encourages you when you're feeling down. Instead, we're talking about giving that person a set of powerful new tools to make their job easier, and your learning experience even better. Let's explore what that really looks like. So, what exactly is this artificial intelligence everyone is talking about? In simple terms, AI is about making computers smart enough to do things that usually require human intelligence. This includes things like learning from information, solving problems, and even understanding language. You've probably already used AI without even realizing it. When a streaming service recommends a new show you might like, or when your phone's digital assistant answers a question, that's AI at work. Now, that same kind of smart technology is making its way into our schools to create new ways to learn. So, where can you find AI in schools today? It's showing up in some really cool ways. In some schools, like the growing Alpha School network in Texas, AI is used to teach core subjects like math and reading. The AI program can create lessons that are perfectly matched to each student's level, moving faster or slower, depending on how well they understand the material. But the teachers, who are now sometimes called guides, are still there. After the students work with the AI, they meet with their teachers for customized sessions to talk about what they learned, work on projects, and build important life skills. It's not just a few special schools either. Districts all over the country are exploring AI. In Philadelphia, for example, they started a special AI 101 training program to teach educators how to use these new tools effectively. A school district in Farmington, Connecticut, found a great use for AI by having it create special reading materials for students who are learning English. The AI could instantly make different versions of a text, some with simpler words, some with pictures to explain vocabulary, which helped the students improve their reading skills so much that the school started using the tool for everyone. These examples show that AI isn't one single thing. It's a whole collection of tools. There are programs like magicschool.ai that act like a teacher's assistant, helping to plan lessons or write emails to parents in seconds. And there are tools for students too, like goblin.tools, which can help break down a big, scary assignment into smaller, more manageable steps. AI is like a Swiss Army knife for the classroom. It has a lot of different functions that can be used to solve many different kinds of problems. making learning more personal and accessible for everyone involved. One of the biggest and most exciting promises of AI in education is its ability to give teachers superpowers, especially the power of having more time. Think about all the work your teachers do that you don't see. They spend hours planning lessons, creating worksheets, grading homework, and writing feedback on assignments. It's a mountain of work. AI can help clear away that mountain. Instead of spending an hour creating a vocabulary quiz, a teacher can ask an AI program to generate one in 30 seconds, complete with an answer key. This frees them up to spend more quality time doing what they do best, actually teaching and connecting with students. Another superpower is personalization. In a classroom with 30 students, everyone learns at a different pace and has different interests. It's almost impossible for one teacher to create a unique lesson plan for every single student. But for an AI, it's easy. AI can tailor lessons to fit each student's individual needs perfectly. If you're a history buff, it can create math word problems about historical events. If you're struggling with a science concept, it can find a video or create a simple visual aid to help you understand it. This makes learning more engaging and ensures that no student gets left behind or held back. AI is also a fantastic partner for creativity. Have you ever stared at a blank page, not knowing where to start on a story or a project? Teachers and students both get that feeling. AI tools can act as a brainstorming buddy. A recent study even found that students who use ChatGPT to brainstorm came up with more unique and creative ideas than students who use traditional methods. AI can help you get past that initial block by suggesting ideas, helping you organize your thoughts into an outline, or even writing a rough first draft that you can then improve upon and make your own. This technology isn't just helping with day-to-day tasks, it's also helping teachers become even better at their jobs. There are special AI programs that can record a teacher giving a lesson and then provide helpful feedback on their teaching style, almost like a personal coach. There are even AI simulations where new teachers can practice handling difficult classroom situations in a safe, virtual environment before they have to do it in real life. By taking care of the tedious work and providing new ways to practice and improve, AI empowers teachers to focus on the human side of their profession. With all these amazing things AI can do, it's easy to wonder if we'll even need teachers in the future. Experts have looked at this question very carefully, and the answer is a resounding yes. According to a 2025 Pew Research Center study, some experts do think AI might reduce the number of teaching jobs over many years. However, the overwhelming belief among educators is that AI will be a partner, not a replacement. Debbie Critchfield, an education leader in Idaho, put it simply, "In no universe do I think that AI is going to replace a teacher. The role of the teacher will evolve, but it won't disappear. We also have to be careful and think about the challenges AI brings. Some people worry about privacy and how student data is being used by these AI companies. Others point out that AI systems can sometimes have biases, meaning they might not be fair to all students. There's also the concern of cognitive offloading, the risk that we might rely on AI so much that we stop learning how to think critically for ourselves. These are serious issues that schools and tech companies need to solve to make sure AI is used safely and ethically. Think about what makes a teacher so special. Can an AI program notice when you're having a bad day and ask if you're okay? Can it inspire you with a story from its own life, make you laugh with a silly joke, or give you a high five for finally understanding a tough problem? Education is about so much more than just memorizing facts. It's about building confidence, learning to work with others, and feeling like you are part of a community. Eric Jenkins, Indiana's 2024 Teacher of the Year, said that AI can't replicate the authentic connection and community that teachers build in their classrooms. In the end, technology is just a tool. A powerful calculator can solve a math problem, but it can't teach you the logic behind the solution or ignite a lifelong passion for mathematics. In the same way, AI can create a perfect lesson plan, but it can't replace the human connection that is the true foundation of learning. Teachers are mentors, role models, and sources of support. They challenge us, they encourage us, and they help shape us into better people. So while AI will certainly become a teacher's new best friend, it will never take the place of the person standing at the front of the classroom, the irreplaceable human heart of our schools.